Thank you for your interest in the History Department at LaSalle University. My name is Stuart Leibiger, and I am chair of the department. Why major in history? Majoring in history keeps your career options open because majors acquire valuable critical reading, writing, and thinking skills essential for jobs in all fields. History majors end up in just about every career imaginable, but it is an especially good major for careers in museums, archives, law, government at the federal, state, or local levels, and education. Why study history at LaSalle? LaSalle's History Department offers exceptional faculty, intriguing courses, and small class size. Our Student Historical Society publishes its own student history journal and sponsors field trips to sites including Gettysburg, the Statue of Liberty, the Holocaust Museum, and George Washington's Mount Vernon. Who teaches at LaSalle? LaSalle's full-time history professors use a variety of teaching techniques, including lecture, class discussion, and document analysis. 5 history faculty members have won the university's prestigious Lindback Distinguished Teaching Award, given annually to a single faculty member. In addition to being inspirational teachers, they are productive, well-known scholars in their fields of expertise. Every permanent history faculty member has a PhD and has published at least one book. And here are the faculty: Barbara Allen, Russian History and the Holocaust; Charles Denoyers, Asian History; Lisa Jarvinen, Latin American History and Film History; Stuart Leibiger, Early American Republic; John Rossi, Modern U.S., Modern Britain, and History of Baseball, and a few more John Rossi books; Francis Bryan, American Studies and History of Education; Brother Edward Sheehy, Modern U.S. and Military History; Lyman Stebbins, Modern Britain and Modern Middle East; George Stowe, Ancient and Medieval History. Sample courses include The American Immigrant, the Holocaust, U.S. Civil War, the Vietnam War, Modern Middle East, and many, many others. Plus, we offer travel study to a variety of destinations, including London, Cuba, and China. Outcomes: our History Department graduates have gone to law school at Georgetown, Rutgers, and Temple universities. They have entered PhD programs at Yale, Rice, Temple, and Lehigh universities. They have worked at historical sites, such as the American Philosophical Society. They have become teachers at public and private schools, and they have earned prestigious positions in government and the private sector.